Welcome to Gray Outdoors, Rally in the Valley. Let's grab some coffee and get ready for Wesley's first NICA race. The night before the race, we have a campfire that this guy didn't start. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. The air was cool and crisp, and the sky was beautiful. The day of the race was absolutely beautiful. The sky was overcast and the air was cool, perfect for racing. We made our way to the team tent and got his race plate, and then it's time for warm-ups.
How was your warm-up?
Good.
Yeah? Are you going to be a mountain bike?
Yeah, I think I am gonna be a mountain biker. What? Yep. But today we're here to watch a race, and my brother's gonna be in it.
Watch out, here comes Grammy.
Hi, Grammy.
Hi! I said pretend like everybody's his little sister.
Here's the national anthem. And now it's race time. Let's go, Wes.
There he is. He's coming.
Get that bell going, Maggie. He'll be good. It's good, dude.
There he is in the distance, making his first pass of the race, right before his first crash of the race. Wes comes out of the woods and gets ready to cross the finish line. He crosses the finish line with a time of 33:58, good enough for 8th place. Well, he's all wore out, and we are very proud of him. We'll catch you at the next race in a couple weeks. Like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up for our dog, Phil.